Hello everyone, this is Shubham Vaishnav, the host of Salesforceforfresher blogs. So in this my blog, I have uploaded a lot of different type of blogs regarding Salesforce, where I mostly explain the triggers and the logic behind that. And today we will start a new journey in our YouTube channel. So we will learn the Trailhead and Trailblazer journey, where we will learn the admin. So let's begin for that. And we will start with our first input, which is sign up in our Trailhead account. So let's start for that. Here, this is the front page of Trailhead platform. I will provide you the link in the description also. So for sign up, we will simply click on this sign up button. After clicking that, it will take few seconds according to our internet connection. So yes, this is here we can create our account by the email, by Google and LinkedIn, even on Apple ID, even on Facebook. So we will start with our email ID. So here I will put my email ID, which is all right. After putting this, simply click on sign up, and after that, it will send a code to our respected email address. So let's go on our inbox. Here it will show the verification code. So our verification code is 509762. Simply I will copy this, and after that I will put the code here and simply click on continue. Yes, here it will ask for a profile picture. So I will upload simply a profile picture, which I already downloaded. All right. After that, we will put our first name, which is anything. In my case, I will put a random name, which is Yash, and I will in second full space I will write Dagi. This is a random name. You can choose any your own name. I have already a Salesforce account. That's why I will put this random name, which you can choose your own name here. So here you can put the username for your Salesforce ID, so which is Trailhead ID. So here I will put. All right. Now after that, I will click on next. After that, it will ask for the company name. So for company name, I can put anything, any random name. Just suppose we can put vsnv.io, and the job title you can write student, just because we are student and learning this. In job role we can put administrator, just because we are going to learn admin part first. And in the relationship section we will choose partner. Religious, you will choose your own country here, but as I am in India, so I will choose India here. In state I will choose Rajasthan. And after that, we will clicking this checkbox which says I have read all the agreements. You can simply click on here and you can read all the terms and conditions. And after that, you can simply click on this checkbox and click done. After that, we have simply logged in to our Trailhead ID. So this is the Trailhead ID. It shows some sample Trailhead pages. So here I will show you our profile. So after clicking there on click profile, and after that you will simply jump on your profile. So in first case, it's look like this. This is simply your profile picture, name, and your job role and your country or state. After that, here after clicking this, you can put your simply about yourself, like short bio. So I am a student. So I am a student. So this is my bio for me. And after hitting save, it will be save. Okay. So simply our bio looks here, shows here. This is our URL. You can share this URL to anyone and they will simply jump on this page. So here in Salesforce, in Trailhead, this platform will call Trailblazer, and the practice platform, the original place, the platform where we can learn, which we call Trailhead. So here we have a ranking system here. So if I show you the ranking system, it goes like this. When you have on zero page, each and every single task will give you chance to earn a page. So when you start, you're simply on the page of 0, which is scout rank. After gaining a 1 page or 200 points, you will simply goes on hiker rank. As long it shows here, you can go on explorer, adventure, mountaineer, expeditor, ranger, and so on. So simply the target we will put is the rangering. I will go through till 100 pages here and show you step by step all the things which we gonna learn. Okay, so after that, in our profile section here, simply we will go on our Trailhead, which is here, this button for Trailhead. We will click here. So welcome to the Trailhead, and this is the simply intro for Salesforce and Trailhead. So you can read this for carefully. After that, I'll search here for admin beginner. So yeah, here this is first. This is the first trail, and these are the modules of this trail. This is admin beginner, where we will cover the beginner part of our admin section. So simply it take almost 9 hours and 20 minutes, and we will also discuss all the things. And after completing this whole trail, we will earn 9,500 points. Okay, so each and every module have a certain steps and certain things to do. We will do each and every step by the video, and I will explain you everything in my simple language, even though in Hindi, even though in English also. So first four is Salesforce platform basics, then data modeling, then data management, then lighting experience customization, Salesforce mobile app customization, user engagement, report and dashboard for lighting experience. So this is simply the admin beginner part. After that, we will go on our admin intermediate, then we will go on admin advanced. Till that, we will learn the admin beginner, and I will explain you each and every module with us all the steps and all the things with a simple logic and simple language. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, thank you guys for watching this video, and let's meet in our next video.